Hi everyone, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm James, and this is my 2014 Maserati Ghibli SQ4. I'm also a member of the Maserati Owners Group of Sacramento, Northern California. And yesterday, the group went on a wine run trip. We went to Lodi to visit 3 wineries. There was Erick Sencil, Erick Dunivan, Todd, Bob, Raj, Keith, and Thomas. We all went on that wine run. My wife came with me. And we just had a ball. It was a great run, a lot of Maseratis, a lot of noise. Got on one stretch of the road and just took off. And that's all I'm gonna say. It was loud, fast, and fun. Anyways, in this video, I want to share the experience with you. So let's get started. The wineries that we visited were all located in Lodi, California, which is fast becoming a popular destination for wine tasting. We visited 3 wineries. We visited Michael David's, we visited St. George's, and we visited Viaggio. And Viaggio in particular, in my opinion, was the best one. The hospitality there was phenomenal. As a matter of fact, they liked that we had our Maseratis with there, and they asked us to park our Maseratis in front of the owner's mansion because they were doing photo shoots for their annual album. So you'll see all our Maseratis parked in front of the owner's manual for their annual photo album on their website. I will post links to all of the wineries that we made stops at in the comments below. So let's see some pictures. As you can tell by the pictures, we all had a fantastic time. A shout out to Erick Sencil for organizing the event, and a shout out to Todd Franklin for picking the wineries. And I look forward to the next event we have. And thanks to all the guys that came with us. So let's see some videos of the event. This is Erick's car here. Whoa, check out those rims. Nice. He's got his logo. Matte Green GT. Blue GT. There's mine.
Now we're leaving all of the Maseratis. Parang mga timang. Ayan, magaganda na yung mga sound ninyo. Nasa harap natin.
I'm not sure.
Relocation. Parking. Ito para silang mga timang. May circles daw sila.
Dust on the wheel. Okay, I got a butterfly on the front of mine. seems one of us Maserati drivers knows how to play the piano. After looking at all the pictures and watching all the videos, it's obvious everybody had a fabulous time. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, click that bell so you'll be notified of my future videos. And until my next video, and if you own a Maserati, be sure to get your thrills every day.